Students, today we will continue with exercise number 4.4. In this session, we will learn question number 2 and question number 3. In question number 2, we have three sums A, B and C. Let's begin with sum number A. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So we have to build the relation between the lowest score and the highest score. The first thing that we will do is let the lowest score be x. Now what is the relation between the lowest score and the highest score? Highest score is twice the lowest score plus 7. Okay, this is a relation given. So I have written twice the lowest score plus 7 is equals to highest marks according to the teacher, what she said. Now 2 into lowest mark is what? Lowest marks we have let as x. Okay. Now 2 into lowest mark means 2 into x plus 7 equals to 87. Now this is the required equation. Why 87 I have written? Because in the question C, the high score is 87 is given. Okay. Now we have to solve this and we have to get the value of x. The first thing that we have to remove is plus 7. How to do it? We have to subtract 7 to both the side. So 2x plus 7 minus 7 is equals to 87 minus 7. Okay. LH is also minus 7. RH is also minus 7. So this will be eliminated. Now what is the answer? 2x is equals to 87 minus 7 is 80. Now we have to remove this 2 also. For that we have to divide this with 2 and the same similar thing we have to do it on the right hand side also. So this 2 will be cancelled and 80 divided by 2 is x. So the lowest marks is what? 40. Let's move on to sum number B. In an isosceles triangle, I hope you remember what is an isosceles triangle. It is a triangle whose two arms are equal and even the base angles are also equal. So in an isosceles triangle, the base angle are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. Remember, this angle is called vertex angle. What are the angles of the triangle? So you have to know the base angles. So the first thing what you have to do, yes, let the base angle be x. As we know that both the base angle are equal, so if you let one base angle as x, then automatically the another angle would be also x. Now according to the criteria of a triangle, we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 40 is equals to 180 degree. See, I have written this. So x plus x is 2x plus 40 is equals to 180. This is your required equation, students. Now the first thing you have to remove, yes, plus 40. So for that you have to subtract 40 to both the side. So 2x plus 40 degree minus 40 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 40 degree. This 40 degree and 40 degree will be cancelled. So the next step is 2x minus 180 minus 40 degrees 140 degrees. So we have to remove this 2 also. For that, you know that we have to divide it in both the side. So 2x by x equals to 140 by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. 140 divided by 2 is 70 degree. So the base angles are 70 degree and 70 degree. Okay. Sum number C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So there are two characters working out here, Sachin and Rahul. So whatever Rahul has scored, Sachin has scored twice his runs. Together their runs fell short a double century. Okay, how many runs did each one score? Okay, so together their runs fell too short, I guess. The question will be too short of a double century. How many runs did each score? So now the first thing we'll let is, as because the Sachin score is compared with Rahul, so we'll let Rahul score be x. So let Rahul score be x. Sachin score is what? Twice is Rahul. So 2x. Okay. Now according to the question, Rahul score plus Sachin score is equals to 2 short of double century. Double century means 200. 2 short means minus 2. Okay. So Rahul score is what? X. Sachin scores, I have written Sachin scores. This will be 2x. Sachin score will be 2x and Rahul score will be x. Okay. So Rahul score is x. Sachin score is 2x is equals to 200 minus 2 is 198. Now solve this. X plus 2x is what? 3x. Now we have to remove this 3. So we have to divide it to both the side. So 3x by 3 is equals to 198 by 3. So this 3 will be cancelled. 198 divided by 3 is 66. So x is Rahul's score. So as we know the value of x, so Rahul's score is 66. What will be Sachin's score? 2x. That is 2 into 66. That is 132 marks. So this is the solution of sum number 3. Let's move on to question number 3 now. Sum number 3 also have 3 sums. So let's move on to the sum number 1. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. So whatever Parmit is having, Irfan is having 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. So Parmit's marbles is compared with Irfan marbles. Irfan has 37 marbles. Now Irfan is carrying 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmit have? Now let the first thing as let Parmit's marble be x. Now Irfan is having what? 7 marble more than means plus 5 times Parmit has, isn't it? So 7 plus 5 times Parmit means how many marbles Parmit is carrying? X. So 5x. So Irfan is carrying how many marbles, students? Yes, this is 37. So in place of Irfan, so see, I have written this equation as 5x plus 7 is equals to, Irfan is carrying how much? 37, isn't it? So you can write 37 like this. Irfan is carrying 37 marbles according to the question, and 7 plus 5 times the Parmit has. So both these are 2 Irfan's marbles. So we can write this equation in this way also. 5x plus 7 is equals to 37. Now you know what you have to do. You have to remove this plus 7. For that, you have to subtract minus 7 to both the side. So it will remain as 5x is equals to 37 minus 7 is 30. Now you have to remove this 5. For that, you have to divide it to both the side. So 5x by 5 is equals to 30 by 5. Remove this. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So x equals to 6. So how much marbles Parmit is carrying? 6 marbles. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Lakshmi father is 49 years old. Okay. Now he is 4 years older than, means 4 years plus, older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Fine. So there's a relation given. How old Lakshmi's father? If I compare Lakshmi's age with his father's, then the relation would be, the first thing that we'll do is we'll let the Lakshmi's age as x. Now her father is 3 times Lakshmi's age plus 4 years older. So this is how we will write the equation. Lakshmi's age is x. So 3 into x plus 4 is equals to 49. Fine. This is a required equation. Her father is 3 times Lakshmi's age plus 4 years older. He is 4 years older. That means plus 4. So this is your required equation, students. Now exactly you know what you have to do. See, plus 4. We did minus 4 to do both the side. So remaining would be 3x equals to 45. Again you have to remove this 3. We know that what you have to do. And finally we got the answer as x equals to 15. So 15 is what? Whose age? Lakshmi's age be x. So the value of x represents Lakshmi's age. So Lakshmi's age is 15 years. So you can write it down. Lakshmi's age is equals to 15 years. Sum number 3. Do it yourself. Okay. Try, students. Though I will try to send you the solution, but you try it by yourself. Okay. Thank you and take care.